Hello viewers, welcome back to Drawing Stuff with Paul Yateman. I decided on a Christmas art challenge where between the 12th and 25th of December I'm drawing something related to Christmas in some way. Today here's the mostly time-lapse recording of me attempting to draw a Santa as seen in the movie Trading Places from 1983. As the drawing came out bad, this is a how not to draw video. I started well using a reference text for drawing people, so I was able to construct the head and face correctly using shapes and separations to get the standard proportions. Once I thought the face looked realistic, I added in other details such as hair, hat, body, etc. What I think I should have done was flesh out the facial details first and then add the other stuff. Quite soon I was on to applying the pen. I had it in my head that I would add details when I coloured in so I could just wing the line art and most of the drawing. How mistaken I was. Pen wise I chose the 0.5 and as I went on added more line weight. This may have been okay if I was to colour in with markers. I chose pencil. The final image shows an overbearing amount of black lines. This is where I really wreck things by grabbing a thick marker and adding line weight. Lots of line weight. For the skin, I began with a mix of pinks, purples and browns and later some blacks, blues and greys. My approach here was to colour in sections of the drawing, finish it up and then move along to the next one. I used 3 or 4 reds for the colouring. My application of pencil was fairly lackadaisical as I was planning to use a cotton bud and some solvent to blend the pencil. That's probably the best bit about this drawing as I tried something new which seems to work, or at least it shows potential. With the 5 o'clock shadow, I think the solvent blending worked well. I then added more shading and dirtied up the beard with greys and grey blues. From there it was onto the hat, which also got some solvent blending after shading the hat haphazardly. The final touches to the drawing was the dirtying up of the fluffy bits, the face and the beard, as this Santa is slumming it by this stage in the movie. He's gone a bit off his rocker. And about the only thing we can tell from this drawing is that the Santa's not particularly happy, so that's about the only bit that was communicated successfully. For the background, I grabbed an old cheaper marker and then blacked it out, just to make the main focus of the image, which is the Santa, pop out. With the finished work, I think the eyes are too big and also too bright and the line work is way too heavy. Okay if this was the style I was going for. I was trying to produce something realistic, so a big fat fail on this one. Anywho, if you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, or in the case of this video, morbidly curious, subscribe, like and share. Till next time, you have been watching How Not to Draw Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Merry Christmas, ciao!